Hey everybody, it's Dave the Sarge Sabados here. Welcome to video number 2 inside the Facebook group, my Facebook group, which is Sarge's Boot Camp. All right, so I'm hoping that you've watched video number 1 on how to do the Prosperity Team daily assignment. It is the basic. That video is the basic elements of creating a blog that looks professional and that can be done very quickly using the team's assignment inside the Prosperity Team group. Okay, which you should be a part of, and if you're not, let me or your sponsor know with proof that you are a part of the Prosperity Team, and we will add you to the group. Okay, so in this video, now that you've made your blog, you want to share your blog. So the best place to share your blog is on social media. Now, Facebook has banned a lot of links, including Empower Networks, for some reason. I don't know. Nobody seems to know why, but anyway, we have a link shortener that it's a new link shortener actually that some people in the group have designed, and it allows you to shorten your link and post your blog post inside of Facebook. It's an awesome link. I'm going to show it to you right now. Actually, what I'm going to do is show you what it looks like here. Okay, this should be it. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to show you the link right here. This is the link itself. So you see your Empower Network blog is right in there. Okay. It has your Facebook likes. You can share it. You can share it with all kinds of different. There's even more. Okay, and just close that. You can email. You can Facebook it. You can Twitter it. You can LinkedIn it. You can pin it to Pinterest, and of course Google Plus, which I suggest if you do not have an account with Google Plus to go and make one right now. Just go into Google, into the search bar, type Google Plus, and go and make your account. It's a Gmail account, and it's kind of like Facebook. Okay, so you see the link here. See this thing is moving nicely here. So it's getting your attention. What it does is it creates a short link right here. Say linkprosperity.com, Sarge's Feed Your Mind. What that link actually is empowernetwork.com blog Dave Sabados. It's a very, feed your mind daily to build a successful online business, / PH equals Dave Sabados. I mean, it literally goes to about, over here somewhere on the URL bar. And this just makes it nice and short. And I'm going to show you how to do this. But first, I just want to show you why we're using this, because this is quite the awesome little tool. See, what happens here is you come up here, and this little moving Prosperity Team symbol gets your attention, and they hover their mouse over it like you just saw, and a little drop-down menu appears. Hang out with us. Visit my blog. Join the team. Okay, so it's actually a little advertisement bar right for your blog. So if you decide someone comes on your blog post and they see this and they say, okay, hang out with us. What's that? Click. They go right to our hangout. And notice the bar stays there. It doesn't go anywhere. And they're going, okay, what's all this? I don't have time for this. Or they decide they're gonna watch some of that, and it attracts them. Then they go, okay, well, what is it? Visit my blog. Okay, I'm gonna visit. What's that? Visit my blog. Boom, right to your main page of your blog, where all your blog posts are. Okay, every one of your blog posts. And notice this bar stays here. Okay. And then they go, oh, join the team. I'm going to join the team. Boom. Now you come down here, and because it's in your bar, and I'll show you why it's linked to you once we're over here, and then I'll show you how to use it. Your sponsor's ID is Dave Sabados. It's linked directly to me. Okay, so when you do yours, it will be linked directly to you. So this is the next step for you after you've finished your blog post to take and do. Okay, now we're just gonna, no, we'll leave that open and go visit my blog. Let's go to the one we were at. Okay, now in here, covered this. Go over here. If I decide I want to like this, click like. I can add a comment and post it to Facebook. I've already done that. I'm not going to do it again. So I'm just going to click like and I'll click close again. And it counts how many people have liked your posts. So if I go home, and I'm actually not sure if this actually works, but let's go here to this one. Okay, no, it doesn't change it. This one I actually have about 30 or 40 likes on this post itself, but just to show you, that link was for your post that you created and you changed into the you moved into the shortener. Okay, before I start confusing you, let's move on to the URL shortener. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So you come to www.linkprosperity.com. Okay, www.linkprosperity.com. Hit enter, and this is the page that's going to come up. So you just finished your blog. And let me just pull one up here. Search. I'm going to go, you're in your raw, okay, your raw Empower network, okay. Now here, let's just go down. Let's do this one. I've already done this one, but we'll do one just to show you how it's done, okay. Notice I said my URL would end somewhere over here. Look how long that is. Okay, you don't want that. It's long. People look at it and go, "Oh my God, that's got to be spam." You know, you don't want that. Everybody uses a URL shortener, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So, this is the URL that I want. That I want to shorten. So you highlight it, right-click, and copy it. Come back over to your tab, URL shortener. This is your destination URL. This is where you want it to go. Okay, so you right here you put that URL and paste it right in there. See, it's already showing me I've done this. Okay, paste it in there, and then call it what you want to call it. This will be your new link. This is what the link will start with, and this is your new link. So I always start mine with Sarge's. Okay, so Sarge's email. Okay, boom. Page title. Now here's where it gets real simple. Go back over your blog, copy your page title. Copy it, go back in here, paste it. Your page description. Go back here, go back here. Pick something out of your text that makes sense for a description. Okay, so here I'll just take the first. I always do this in my blogs. I put a little descriptive phrase right at the beginning. So I take that, copy it, go back here, and paste it in. Paste. At the very bottom, you notice Empower Network username. So you type your username in there. Done. Very last thing. You can leave this one here alone if you'd like. You do not have to go and change the picture. All this is when you put this link in Facebook, whatever picture you've linked to will show up beside your post, and it makes it nice and pretty, and I will show you just like that. This is how it'll look. Okay, where's my link prosperity one? There. That's how it'll look. Okay? That's the picture I chose and I put in there. And there's my link. There's my title. There's my description. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you a little trick. If you don't want to leave the normal boring picture in there, and all it is a picture, is this picture right here. This Empower Network, or Power Network, this Prosperity Team symbol, okay? If you don't want that to stay there and you want your own picture, it's as simple as this. Get rid of that. Delete. Come over to tinypic.com. You need to host your picture, okay? So whatever picture you've picked from, remember in the first video, I told you to upload a picture. I showed you how. And if you haven't done that yet, go back to that video and check it. And go to Google, upload that picture, and save it somewhere on your hard drive. Okay. So as soon as you come to tinypic.com, all you need to do is upload. You'll come to this page. Upload images and videos. So choose the file. Wherever you put your pictures is going to pop up. Okay. And what was that called? Email. How to build your email list. Okay. Let's use, let's choose a picture. Let's choose a picture. Let's choose a picture. Just got to find one that's half decent for this. Doesn't matter. It'll be your picture, okay? So I'm just going to put here, Chicago. I'm going to Chicago. I'm going to put this in here. Boom. Now see, chicago1.jpg is there. The file type is image. You don't need to resize it. You don't need to send it to anybody. Upload now. You're going to get this little CAPTCHA. And it wants you to enter the quoted text, which is right here. So it's snap, style, and share. Upload now. And boom, there it is. Now all you want is your direct link. Okay, so you take this. So this picture is now hosted on the internet inside an actual website. Okay, and it can be retrieved by anything. So click on that. It highlights. Right click it and copy it. Then you just come back over here. And this is the one you want, your direct link for layouts. That's the one you want. Okay. Go over here, right click, paste it into the thumb image URL, and you're done. That's it. All you need to do is shorten the link. Done. And here's your new link right here. This is your new link. So now your blog post is actually in this link. So here, copy me. That's all you need to do. Your URL has been copied to your clipboard. Go over to Facebook. Go to the home. You want to update your status, right? Boom, right click. Paste that in there. Watch what happens. See that? How to build your email list by leaps and bounds. There's your link. linkprosperity.com Sarge's-email. Simple, 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 isn't it? When you're posting it in Facebook, here's a little tip for you. Leave the link there, hit enter in front of it, go back up, and then type something in there. Okay? If you are not building your list at all times, you are not truly in business. Oops. Have a read inside and find out why. ... I love that ... It's a little mental thing. Makes people think, well, okay, there must be something else. What is it? And they click the link. And then you just click post. I'm actually going to post this to Facebook Live. I just did it. Took me, what, a few seconds to make that link. Okay. Simple? right? Remember, this is a video. Pause it. After I do something, go do it. Replay or play again. After I've done something, pause it, go and do it. Very simple. Once you have this link, linkprosperity.com, just go to bookmarks and bookmark this page. Final message on this video. This link will not work in any other browser than Chrome. Okay, so Google Chrome. Here's what I suggest. Download Google Chrome, and if you don't like using Google Chrome, that's okay. I don't like using it that much either. I use Firefox. Never use Internet Explorer. That is the most piece of garbage, outdated browser on the planet. Okay, I use Firefox. As far as I'm concerned, everybody should be using Firefox or Google Chrome. I'm more familiar with Firefox, but with Chrome, Link Prosperity only works in Chrome right now. Something happened. It's not actually functioning in Firefox too well. Took me a little while to figure out why, but my suggestion, use this link. You need this link. It's a very important link to use. It's a very awesome link to use. Get your Google Chrome, download it, and if you only have to use it for this, then just use it for this and go back to your Firefox. Okay, it's not a big deal. It's just a browser. Eventually, it will work in Firefox, and you won't have to worry about it. But right now, this link shortener only works in Google Chrome. So download Google Chrome. You want this link shortener. It is an awesome tool. It's got me leads just because of that bar that's at the top. Okay, just because of that. Just because of this bar, I've gotten leads. Look, already 1 like. I just posted it. Simple, eh? Very simple. All right, let's close these out. Okay, so recap. Get Google Chrome. Second, go to tinypic.com. Upload your image that you want to use for your post. Go back here. Create your link like I showed you how to do. All you got to do, copy it or just highlight it and copy it. Post away. Go into your groups if you're a part of any groups, and we'll talk about that in another video. Go to your Facebook page. Post your blog inside of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, any social media that you're a part of. That's where you want to post these links. Okay, and like I said, make sure you are putting something in here. Think a little ahead. Think a little bit above everybody else. Be a little bit smarter, and don't be like everybody else. Okay, so whatever your blog post is about, it doesn't matter. Whatever your blog post is about, it can be about Isogenics, it can be about Herbalife, it can be about Visalis, it can be about Numis, it can be about Sante Organics, all the companies. If you're part of one of those companies, then use pictures and use pictures in your URL shortener that are relevant to your blog post, not just any old junky picture, but something that's relevant. And get it out there. Link your Facebook and your Twitter. Get a LinkedIn account. Once you have a LinkedIn account, search for me and add me. You will get about 3 million people viewing your blog every time you post it, just because you're friends with me, because I have over 3 million viewers. Yeah, okay, so that's it for now. Get your Google Chrome, get this link, follow what I showed you in the video, and get your blogs out there. All right? Okay, that's it for video number 2. And we are at 19 minutes, not bad. 19 minutes. And 20 minutes. I'm gonna sit here and count it. 20:01. No, I'm just kidding. Follow the video. This is video number 2, and I will look for you on video number 3. Sarge out.